Aquí con Gabi's Garage Opener Services. El experto que casi se muere un día. O casi lo mato, más bien dicho. I was able to program this. You gotta scan the QR code. But this door needs a lot of maintenance. This shit is old. So, might have to lube it up or get some new wheels. And they probably put paint. Got the landlord special maybe. Maybe new brackets. I don't know if I want to get involved in all that. But we got the remote program. And then slight adjustments need to be done. I think some of these adjustments need to be added. Aquí el experto viendo qué va a necesitar.
Un nuevo.
Todo nuevo, la puerta es nueva. Everything new, fuck it. Don't cut the springs. Don't cut any of that, because the door will drop. Sound like a shotgun. Well, I was able to pair the remote, but I think you're gonna need new sensors. The ones down there, it's supposed to line up with each other. And there's a green LED, but it is not turning on. So I think you need new sensors. Maybe new wire. I would have to check when we get new sensors. And you definitely need to grease that up, oil it up, and that way it moves a little bit better. I think that's it. The rest, that one's pretty secure. This one's secure, so yeah, we're probably looking at having to replace the sensors. I guess that keeps that in line. So, yeah, replacing the sensors for now.